presenting the Dodge 2018 Grand Caravan GT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include navigation system, Garmin, 9 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, CD player, DVD audio, radio data system, radio, 430 nav, air conditioning and automatic temperature control. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.